Story 19. A caravan having been plundered in the Yunnan country and deprived of the boundless wealth, the merchants wept and lamented, beseeching God and the prophet to intercede for them with the robbers, but ineffectually. When a dark-minded robber is victorious, what cares he for the weeping of the caravan? Luqman the philosopher being among the people of the caravan, one of them asked him to speak a few words of wisdom and advice to the robbers, so that they might perhaps return some of the property they had plundered, because the loss of so much wealth would be lamentable. Luqman replied, "It would be lamentable to utter one word of wisdom to thee." The rust, which is eaten into iron, cannot be removed by polishing. Of what use is preaching to a black heart? An iron nail cannot be driven into a rock. Help the distressed in the day of prosperity, because comforting the poor averts evil from thyself. When a mendicant implores thee for a thing, give it, or else an oppressor may take it by force. And, well, you know, if it was war or something like that, or and conditions that things would be taken, well, returning part of it, you know, can seem like a whatever. But if the captives of the other side are under one's care, certainly you provide for their needs. But, you know, caravan robbing is not the thing that's ever been the thing. You know, your property is stolen, and here, you know, the people who run your property are running these vehicles or something. That's a different story.